Most people don't see what it's actually like using voice AI while driving. All the real-world hiccups and failures. Seeing you test them live, spotting where they drop out or get things wrong, that's way more useful than marketing blurb. People will eat that up.
Believe it or not, already I'd say you're actually winning, although there's flaws. You're doing very well.
I know I've got issues dropping out, cutting off mid-sentence, but I'm glad the fundamentals are working for you so far.